Hi, I'm Sergio Plaza. I'm the Executive Vice President of Business Operations, Strategy and Development. 24 months ago, we broke ground on this facility in Central Texas. And we did this in response to an increasing demand for manufacturing capacity in quality and in the unique projects that our clients have. Now, we always knew that we would have opportunity with our clientele and the projects that we do to supplement what we're doing here in another fashion. And that's what you see behind me in our phase 1 expansion of our current facility. This represents a place where we can supplement many of the building products that we can provide that previously we were purchasing and bundling up with our manufacturing products. We began this effort 2 months ago, preparing the land and putting the foundations in. But now what you see is our allied blue structural frames. The roof is now underway. We have a special 2-part liner system that is featured here just like it was in our original facility. And what we expect to see happen here in the coming weeks is the completion of all the subframing that is part of the walls and the roof. Mechanical systems will come into play, the electrical systems. In a few short weeks, we will have our first of 7 machines that are part of this particular expansion, and we're really excited about it, but we will see operation here sometime in August.